Be careful, buddy.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's okay, Daddy.
Excuse me, sir.
I don't know.
Hey, Nala, you trying not to make eye contact?
You have 2 cookies and I don't have any.
You're my new best friend. Oh, hello. Hello.
Oh my gosh. Oh, good morning.
Oh, hello.
Luffy, stay. Stay!
There you go. Program Theme has chosen me. He has chosen me. Oh my god.
What are you doing? Why are you still peeing? Magna!
She's biting me. You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Stop. Stop.
Any dear?
Bentley, where are you? Come here. Bentley.
Hey. 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 Autrefois, j'étais naïf.
What in the world was that all about? Why'd you just do that?
No, you.
So chunky.
I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Stop hunting me. Why are you hunting me?
Gary!
Ouch.
Did you steal my phone? Did you?
Kona, really?
Get it off the couch.
Take it out.
Now. ¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No.
Oh my god.
Unbelievable. No.
Where did you get that?
Thank you, no.
Careful.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
My cat is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little. Ah, fuck you!
Oh, God.
Es muy temprano para que empieces a fregar conmigo, Rospi. Todo el pinche de ayer me tuviste cagando.
What's up?
Don't try it. No, Michael! Ah!
Who did...
Bad dog.
Is it time for smelling salts?
What's this?
Little Black, hang on. Oh gosh.
Hey, Fatso! Want some kitty cat treats? Yeah, I fucking knew your fat ass would.
His name is John C.
Oh, good boy. You wanna miss chomping the people?
Uncle Angel is not doing his job. You have one job. Look behind you.
Okay.
What is going on?
Okay. No! No! Hey! Hey! Oh, I got her! Oh.
What's that? What's that?
I got me a motherfucking fork. You bitch!
You like getting baths? No. Why not?
Oh no. No.
Is the cactus your best friend?
fox. Funky.
¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No.
What is going on?
Oh, it's monkey o'clock.
It's okay. I know. I know.
to schedule your consultation with one of our agents.
Okay, ow.
You don't belong in there.
Come on. She's gotta sleep, Papas. Come on. Come on.
This.
Good boy, Kenneth.
Hi. Can I touch you? Oh, okay.
Hello. You want to come over for a treat? I thought so.
Hey!
Și să nu-i pliculești cu iepure, că mi s-a luat somon și vită, mai du-te.
Hey, buddy, I can't let you outside.
That's right.
Yeah, she ain't moving.
No, she is not.
No, you jumped over these double bacon.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
No.
Can you read this? Oh my god!
Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god.
Mimi? Kitty, kitty. Wow, you're nice, kitty.
Let me Marshmallow. Get you the big cam.
Oh my god.
Hello. Ow!
Huh?
Tucker, place.
What the fuck?
Marley, what do you think you're doing? No.
You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Mimi. Mimi.
Chloe, I'm fine. I'm fine. Honey, I'm fine. I'm okay. I promise. I'm okay.
It's pistachio ice cream. You guys want to know how my dog's an actor? And scene. Oh, it's okay, honey. It's okay. What's wrong, buddy? Look at me. What's wrong with your eye? Oh, you wanna go outside? You wanna go outside and play? Oh, now you're fine. Oh, now you're hurt again. Oh, no.
Hey, let him sleep. Be quiet.
No. No, no.
Do you think that throwing a tantrum and yelling at me is gonna... Let me finish the question. Okay.
What's wrong with your eye? Oh, you wanna go outside? You wanna go outside and play?
I'm gonna be home soon, okay?
Why is it completely black? Like. Okay.
Do it again. Front flip. Guys, what is, dude? What the? Dude, you're stuck, you're stuck.
Come here.
Go in. She's in. She's in. She's panicking.
Go help her.
I will. Daddy's coming. Daddy's coming.
What are you doing? You're turning my camera.
Yeah.
La puntura.
Dai, vieni, non te la fa più, dai.
Non te la faccio più, dai, basta, dai, basta. Adesso. La puntura.
Oliver.
Motherfucker, where is it? Where the is it? I swear to God. You laughing, girl? You trying to laugh? This funny? Let me show you some fucking.
Minnie.
Stop. Kyle! Fucking Kyle!
I said no, ma'am.
Sorry.